Sometimes life feels strange. Everything is going well, and then suddenly, without any warning, it stops. You look around and think, why? What changed? Was it luck? Was it me? Was it something I did not see? Today, I want to tell you a simple story. A story about doors that close, windows that open, and moments that look like accidents, but change everything. Stay with me, because the answer does not come fast. It grows slowly, piece by piece, and at the end, I promise, it will make sense. Have you ever had a time when life felt easy? Work was smooth, people were kind, ideas came quickly, and then, in one day, one moment, everything changed. It happens to many of us. Things seem bright, then darkness comes, and we don't know why. We ask questions. Questions that do not have clear answers. And questions that only make the uncertainty bigger. Does luck matter? Do we control our life? Or is life driving itself? Let's start at the beginning.
Who am I? I was the first child of parents who dreamed of a big, happy family. They gave me many things, more than I needed. I wanted to make them proud. So I tried to be the best at everything. As I grew, I wanted more independence. Writing became my secret place, a place where I could create my own world. One day, I wanted more. I looked beyond my small life. I saw skills I did not have. For example, I had no idea how to play the guitar. I had many questions about myself. And then, one morning, I had what you may call a lucky accident. I met Beatrice. She read something I wrote. She liked it. She showed it to Jack. Jack read it and could not stop. He showed it to Celine. Celine felt something deep. She showed it to Professor Pingo. He thought the text was too good and doubted it was mine. So he showed it to Mr. Conan, a big publisher. And in that moment, everything started. One day my phone rang. "Your first book edition is almost sold out," they said. "We are printing the second one, and you are still in the ranking." My life changed fast. Too fast.
Then comes another voice.
Who am I? I grew up with my grandparents. My childhood was happy at first. Then sadness came. First my grandfather passed away, then my grandmother. I had a chicken, a plant, and a dog, but even those slowly left. The city felt like the right place to grow. It seemed full of chances it only say met. I got a job in Mr. Yusuf's greengrocer. But the greedy customers did not like me. I was hungry. They were angry. I had to leave. By chance, I found a hairdresser. Actresses from a nearby theater came every afternoon to get hair for their wigs. My job was simple. Collect the hair, put it in a bag, and take it to the Mons Passage. Then one day, the main actress did not come for rehearsal. I knew the play by heart, so I acted the line. Thinking about it makes me want to tear myself to shreds. They were shocked. My first acting moment started like that. Then came my first real role. Then my first small payments, and my first big investment. A bicycle. In the morning, I used it to go to theater school. In the evening, I delivered packages, and one of those deliveries changed everything. I arrived at a home. "Sir, I'm from Click Offices. Home delivery." He opened the door. "Come in," he said. He asked,
"Do you know what is inside this box?"
I said, "No idea." He had many books. "Are you a writer?" I asked. He smiled.
"I've written something here and there."
"Are you famous?" He laughed.
"What is fame to you?"
He made coffee. We talked. I told him my story. Half the time I am a delivery girl. Half the time I am an actress, and I have my first lead role in 2 weeks. It all feels like a dream. He told me his story too. He said he was in a kind of crisis. He said ideas were not coming. It felt empty. He wondered if maybe it was all luck. Maybe he never had talent. And that is when I said something I had been hiding. "I know who you are," I said. You don't know it, but your book was my only friend for a long time. I read it many times. It gave me strength when I had none. I told him something more. The play I told you about? I wrote it. It is inspired by your book. He was surprised. Maybe he felt seen. Maybe he felt understood. I said goodbye. I thanked him for the conversation and the coffee. He walked me to the door. Then I said, "There is nothing inside the box."
Are you sure?
He asked.
Look again. Maybe this time you have luck.
Now, let's stop the story for a moment. Why does life stop working sometimes? Why do we rise and then fall? Why do things go right, then suddenly wrong? Here is the simple truth. In easy words, life is made of three forces. 1. Luck. Things you cannot control. 2. Your actions. The small steps you take every day. 3. Your state of mind and body. When you are tired, sad, or stressed, your ideas slow down. When these three mix together, life can change fast, in a good or bad way. But here's the hopeful part. You can help luck. You can create small chances. You can meet new people. You can try one new thing every week. You can make small moves that open new windows. And sometimes, a simple talk, a small meeting, a cup of coffee, a moment that looks like nothing, can start everything again. So the next time life stops working, remember, you did not lose your talent. You did not lose your path. You only reached a turning point. Maybe the door closed, but maybe the window is waiting, and maybe the empty box in front of you is not empty at all. Tell me in the comments, when did life surprise you? And if this story touched you, share it with someone who needs hope today. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay open. Because sometimes, luck is closer than you think.